Hi guys, Coach Terry here from Beautiful Bodies by T. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about lunges. Now lunges are single-handedly some of the most effective and efficient exercises that you can do to tone and strengthen your lower body. However, lots of us completely avoid these because we tend to feel pain in our knees, some our hips. We're not sure if we're doing them correctly. So if you fall under any of those categories, then this masterclass is for you. I'll be showing you 3 lunge variations that you can incorporate in your lower body day routine. All right, so let's start with some reverse lunges. I'll do this body weight and then I'll show you how you can use your dumbbells. Pretty simple. Now for our reverse lunges, all we're doing, placing one foot, stepping back with the other, and I want you to focus on bringing this knee down, just like so. Now what I tend to see a lot of people do when they do lunges is step back and they go forward. You never want to do that. You're placing too much pressure on your knee. So again, all we do, step back, drive that knee down. And if you notice, my knee is safe and comfortably over my toes or behind my toes. All right, back to start. Back to start. Now, if you're a complete beginner, it's quite fine to place your hand on a stable surface like so, reverse, and back to start. All right. Now, once you're sure you've mastered the reverse lunges, I want you to add some dumbbells. Make it a little bit more interesting and a little bit more challenging, but it's still the same thing. And there you have it. Next up, we have curtsy lunges. And this is one of my favorites to do. And as the name implies, when we do this, it's as if we're doing a curtsy. So it's just like this. You step back into the side, and then you want to again sink the knee on the leg that went back. So down, return, down, return. And as I said, it's like a curtsy. That's why it got that name. All right. Now, while performing this, you can easily see why it targets your inner thighs, outer thighs, and your glutes. So don't try to skip these. Just make sure you're doing them correctly. Again, watch out for this knee. It should not go forward. Keep it behind those toes. All right? And that's it. All right, guys, now for our last variation, I'm going to show you static lunges and static curtsy lunges. Now, a lot of people, when they're just starting out, they find even after doing what I said in terms of watching where they place their foot, making sure that their knee doesn't go forward, it's still a little bit challenging. If that's you, then I want you to do static lunge or static curtsies. So this is what it looks like. Step back. And all we're doing is holding this position. Again, if you need to, hold on to a flat, stable surface. What you want to do is that ensure you're pushing through the heel on your front foot, driving this knee down. All right, pretty simple. Just the same with our curtsy lunges. Step back into the side, down, up, down, and up. Pretty simple. And there you have it, 3 lunge variations that you can mix and match and add to your lower body workout to help tone and sculpt those legs and build your glutes. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment as to what part of it you liked. Let me also know what other exercise causes you issues or pain, and I'll try and do a video for that to help you all out as much as possible. And hit that subscribe button if you need more tips and tricks like this. I also have a ton load of lower body workouts on my channel where I include lunges, hip thrusts, squats, you name it, whether home or gym. So please ensure you subscribe. But that's it for now. Bye guys, be blessed.